Guys, so here it is. Hey guys, so I'm here at the VF. Why are you still up? You guys, I literally just filmed a huge collective haul. My studio right now, it's crazy. And by the way, it's Friday in the morning and I'm filming this at 12 a.m. So anyway, it's already 12:25 a.m. I started filming around 11:30ish, something like that, and now it's 12:30. No, that's not 12:30, it's 12:26 a.m. So anyway, so the collective haul will be up first, and then now I'm planning to film another video, which is this is gonna be a different type of video. And I don't know, I'm just really excited to film. So anyway, I'm going to charge this battery that I just got for, like this camera, the battery. I'm charging it right now. I'm currently charging it right now. And whatchamacallit, I am going to cook giniling, which I might, yeah, so this is gonna be a whole different video, which is this is gonna be a vlog, because tomorrow, well, in the morning, I will be dropping off my my box, balikbayan box, and I'm supposed to drop that off around like a month ago, but I just didn't drop it off for some reason, because like I said, I always said I'm busy. Like, girl, if I told you I'm busy, I am busy with my life right now. That's why I was shocked when I found this makeup that I've been like, I didn't know that I bought it, or I literally just forgot about it. But anyway, I am going to cook. I'm gonna call my husband because I think he wants me to cook his chicken breast, so I will be cooking his food and my food for the week, because Friday is my only day off, and if my day off, I have to do everything in my one day off. I know I'm crazy, it sounds crazy, because I will be working this weekend, Saturday, Sunday, and I might be off on Monday. I don't know yet. So anyway, yeah, so it's crazy. And like, guys, my hair is so short. So anyway, I will be yeah, let me just clean up my mess, because it's a whole lot of mess right going in right now. So yeah, let me get my coffee first, so I can, you know, I don't care, it's only 12 something and I'm getting coffee because I'm starting my day now. Like, I'm starting my day off, like I will not sleep. Anyway, I'm gonna get my coffee, I'm gonna clean this whole mess, and I will charge this battery. And I'm charging my battery from the Canon SL2, and I will talk to you guys later. Hey guys, so I am at the kitchen. I'm sorry if my voice is kind of low, because it is 2:25 in the morning and I don't want to make noise, so I don't want to make them my mom to be awake. So anyway, I am at the kitchen. I am going to make a beef giniling. That's like a Filipino food. So I'm going to get the recipes first, then I will talk to you guys later. Okay guys, so here is some of the ingredients: garlic, onions, white onions, carrots, green and supposed to be red bell pepper, and the ground beef, tomato. I put water in it so it doesn't oxidize, and tomato sauce. Finally found it. Guys, so here it is. It's so freaking good. And of course, rice. And it's already 3:55. It's almost 4 o'clock in the morning, so I might as well just eat after this. So anyway, you guys, so this is a continuation vlog. I am actually going to Clarrise. So we've been I'm not fully awake yet, but I'm going to meet her at her house, because we're going to, I believe, Springfield, Virginia for the Kung Fu tea. Yeah, so we're just going to catch up since it's my day off. This is the only day off I have this week, Friday, because Saturday and Sunday I will be working. So yeah, I am going there now. So let's see. Yeah, because we were supposed to see Thursday, but it was just 100%, like it was just raining and snowing, and well, I was working around, well, I have to work 5 p.m. till like 9 p.m. Then I could, like, our plan was supposed to meet up around 12 noon so we can catch up, and then I can just go home and go straight to work. But then this stupid rain didn't stop. So now it's still kind of chilly, but it's sunny. Yeah, it's 48 degrees. It's hot, but it's cold. It's mixed like that. It's like the wind is cold, but it's hot. So anyway, I don't know if I'm making sense. Anyway, I am driving on the way there now, and I will talk to you guys while, I'll talk to you guys later, when I'm at her house. I'm gonna get that later though. Hey guys, we're here at Iron Age. She's also actually vlogging. So yeah, there you go. Beef brisket and beef bulgogi. Hey guys, we're here at Forever 21. Look at this bit. This is nice. Ang laki lang. Yeah. We're here at, not Forever 21, but I'm sorry, it's H&M. Look guys, look at this. Looks nice. I think it's a trouser. So this looks nice. And it's $40. It's actually pretty good. Okay guys, so I'm looking for a jacket. What is it? Hey guys, so this is my outfit for today. This bodysuit is from OOTD Fashion, jeans are from Forever 21, and slides are Forever 21. Anyway, I'm here at the H&M and I got two options. I'm not gonna wear that because I know my size already, but this one I will show it to you. Because I'm not really crazy about this one because it doesn't have my size, and I just know that it was small and I'm medium, and this one is also extra small, but I'm size medium. So I really like it. I wish they came up with black or white. That would be more, you know, wearable. And I've been looking for kind of like what is this called? This one right here, but it just doesn't fit me. It's like in this side right here, it doesn't really fit me, and I'm not really pretty sure about the color. So I'm gonna try to find similar to this one in like white or black. I'm hoping that they have white or black so I can get it, and it's $39. It's almost like $40. So yeah, wish me luck. And by the way, if you guys are asking, my lips, my liquid lipstick is from Fenty Beauty. I think this is the unbutton. No, hold on, let me show it to you. No, Unveil. We're right here. This shade right here, this brown shade. It's just in the shade Unveil. And I line my lips with the Queen Cosmetics lip liner. So yeah. Hey guys, so I'm here at the VS. gonna buy some bra. I don't know yet, or I might just do it online. We have bras and some underwear. Oh my god, this looks nice. Guys, that looks so pretty. Fake snow. Hey guys, so I found this white coat and I really like it. I'm gonna show it to you before I'm at home. And it's only $35. Oh, bagay ah. Yeah. Kunin mo na. Kautos ah. Baka kang yayamanin. Yeah. London. New York. Bagay. Ay, no, may salamin. Saan ba? Ayun, no, banda doon. Ayan, tignan mo dito sa vlog. Hey guys, may na-encounter si si Clarisse na babaeng gaga. Na-triggered si ate girl. Coffee addict, comforty addict. Hey guys, I literally just got home. It's already 9:10, something like that, and I am going to end this vlog by showing you what I got from H&M. I went there. I went to the sale section. Oh my god, they have this, I don't know what they call that, like jacket. Oh, what is this? Hold on. It's a knitwear basic, so I got this one in large, and the original price was $34.99. Imagine, and they sell it for only $5. That's crazy. And this one right here, because I actually need one of these. This one is not giving justice, but it's really nice. Next one is also another knitwear, which the price is $29.99, and only for $5 now. Imagine. And this is in the size medium. Look like this. And it's black. I think this one's kind of like a dark grayish, and then this is black. So that is from H&M, and I only pay $10 for that. Overall supposed to be $54, but it's only $10.60, which is like $11, and that's really crazy. And next one is from Victoria's Secret. I just got a bra from Victoria's Secret, and it's nude. I'm gonna show it to you guys, but yeah, it's just nude bra. I'll really show it to you. That's just Victoria's Secret. And then lastly is from Forever 21. The white coat that I showed you earlier is on sale too, which is crazy. The original price was $34. Yeah, the original price was $34.90, which is almost $35, and I only pay $25 for that. So I got it on sale too. Yeah, $25. So that's really good. And it's just white. I don't know what they call this, but it's out. Yeah, it's a coat, and it's cream color. It's just nice. And lastly, I stopped by at Ulta because I don't know, I just stopped by there and see, but I really didn't buy much. I just got these I've been wanting to try these. This is the Sugar Bear hair vitamins right there, and this is for $29, $29.99, like almost $30, and I really can't wait to try these. This is for like hair and for like the nails growing. So yeah, let's see, 2 gummies. By the way, that is it for today's vlog. I really hope that you guys enjoy this vlog, and yeah, I'm really tired. I have to take off my makeup because I am going to work at 7 a.m. so I really gotta get some sleep. But yeah, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and please also subscribe to my friend's Clarrise channel. So yeah, but yeah, I will talk to you guys soon. Later, bye.